Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS exam 2. Question number 76 is, let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation 1 by x plus a plus b is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by a plus 1 by b. A is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to 0. Which one of the following is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square? Option A, x square plus within bracket a square plus b square into x plus a square b square 0 is equal to 0. Option B, x square minus within bracket a square plus b square x plus a square b square is equal to 0. Option 3, x square minus within bracket a square plus b square into x minus a square b square is equal to 0. Option D, x square plus within bracket a square plus b square to close into x minus a square b square is equal to 0. So here we have 1 by x plus a plus b is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by a plus 1 by b. So if we take LCM on right hand side, then the LCM will be at xab and numerator will be ab plus bx plus xa. Okay, solving this. Now we can cross multiply. So it will be xab and this will be at xab x square b x square a and then a square b, then abx and then a square x, then ab square, then b square x and then xab. Now xab will cancel out, so we'll have here x square common in x square b and x square a, so it can be written as x square within bracket a plus b. Now x is common in this ab and this abx, this will cancel out, and in a square and in b square, so it will be x within bracket a square plus b square plus 2ab bracket close, and now a square b plus b square is already there, so is equal to 0. So now this can be written as a plus b whole square, and a plus b can be taken as common, so it will be it will not be equal to 0, assuming that other term is 0, then it will be x square plus x within bracket a plus b plus ab is equal to 0. Okay, so now if we take x common, it will be x plus a within bracket plus b x plus a is equal to 0, or we can say the roots of the equation are x is equal to minus b and x is equal to minus a. Suppose minus a is equal to alpha and minus b is equal to beta. So these are the roots given of the equation alpha and beta, and alpha, assuming that alpha is equal to minus a and beta is equal to minus b. So now if we select option B is this x square minus within bracket a square plus b square into x plus a square b square. So we have got the equation of the root of root as alpha and beta as minus a and minus b. Now we have to find out the roots of this equation, and its root should be alpha square and beta square, then it will be the answer. So we have to find out the equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. Okay, so taking option B, x square minus within bracket a square plus b square into x plus a square b square. So now we can open this bracket and take first two terms, then it will be x square minus a square x, and this will be a minus b square x plus a square b square. Here we can take common x, so it will be x within bracket x minus a square, and this will be minus b square x minus a square bracket close is equal to 0, or x minus b square is equal to, or sorry, x minus b square into x minus a square will be equal to 0, or we can say b square and a square are the roots of the equation, as alpha is minus a, so alpha square is your a square. Okay, so beta is minus b, so beta square will be your b square. So these are the roots of the equation. So answer is option B. It is satisfying the given condition. So answer is option